In this topic, we will see how to use the repeat function in Excel sheet. So there is a text here which I need to repeat number of times. So these texts here, the star symbol I need to repeat here 9 times. So when I'm typing the manually, it will take a lot of time and times. Even the result also is not proper. Maybe it will sometime it will go to the 8, sometime it will go to the tens. So that is the reason the repeat function will be using here. To use the repeat function, the syntax is repeat and open parentheses. Then select the star symbol here, which is like text, that is the argument. Then second argument is comma, the number of times which I need to repeat. So just click enter. So here it is reflecting. The similar way, there is a and symbol and again exclamation mark and excel. This symbol also I need to repeat this many times. So what I'm doing, whatever the formula I have executed here, the same formula I'm dragging till down. You can see how many times the Excel it is there 2 times, it is reflecting to 2 times. If the same thing, if I want to repeat 3 times, just I'm changing the figures. It's like inside of 2, I'm putting 3 and just hitting enter. It is automatically reflecting here. There is a arguments and everything I have written over here. So to better understanding purpose, you can read these things. You will come to know how to use this repeat function.